Oh my god. I was like, did you see it? Did you see it? Oh my god.
That's funny. I think I sucked.
Ew.
They both of them?
Oh my god.
They
I
turned
caught
off.
this on camera. Don't talk, everybody. I don't know who y'all are.
No! My name is not Trinidad. It's... Shit.
No, her name is Juan.
My name is Jeff.
You see those lights over there? Those are awesome fireworks because they stay there forever.
My name is Chef.
That one, those two too. And that big one, you see it? Oh god.
Those are street lights.
Oh, do you see the little ones? Oh my god. Look at those ones. Oh. Hold up.
Why are you trying to get on that phone?
Oh, she's on kick. Oh god. Nobody text you. Stop texting. Can I see it? I can't see it. Oh god.
You need to like unzoom it. Cause you're like getting the fireworks, but you're not getting all the fireworks.
I can't see you. Can y'all see her? Comment below so I can see her. Oh my gosh! Did you see them? I saw them. It was me. Yeah, me. I saw them. I'm taller than you.
You're not taller than me.
I'm almost taller than you.
You're not even almost taller than me.
Nani, don't. I'm on camera. Don't say
She's not taller than me.
I am taller than her.
She's not.
I am.
What?
Let's do this.
Is this the last one?
I don't know.
It probably is.
No. Oh my god, can you see it? Oh my goodness.
Those are our fireworks. We're done here. Bye.
No, we're not. She's stupid. No, don't listen to her.
I'm not stupid.
You don't gotta do that. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that.
I can do that.
Oh my god. Do you see the pretty fireworks?
Those are street lights.
No. Look at them. They're going back and forth.
I used to do that with my
And you used to pretend that it's a
roller
UFO.
coaster.
No, you said it's a UFO.
No, I used to pretend that was like roller coaster. I would like go and I'd have my phone, and then I'd move it around a lot at night, and I'd take a picture, and then it looked like I was on a roller coaster. Well, I thought it looked like I was on a roller coaster. It just turned out I was taking really bad pictures. Where's Eric at?
He's
Where
inside.
is he? Oh, he's inside.
Yeah, that was nice. It's barking. I think. I don't know. Hold on. There's Snicker. Yeah. Get inside. Snicker's like. Did you hear that? Those are the people that are competing with us.
They suck.
They do. Nani likes the fireworks. I don't know why. She said it herself. She's like, ooh, pretty. I was like, Nani, really?
They were pretty.
No, they weren't. And
How
you
do you
know that.
Ow!
I'm sorry. I meant
No,
to
you're
hit you
not,
right
you're
here.
not.
Not in the neck.
You liar.
Patty face. She's on Instagram. I got it. Watch.
That guy, right? You can't see him, but he. He takes a lot of pictures.
He's ugly.
What? He's not ugly.
Oh, she's gagging.
Shut up, Snow, because, like, what if he, like, follows you on YouTube and, like, puts a hit out for me?
He won't do that. You like it?
Yeah, that's my friend. Her name's Jasmine.
Oh. I really like that guy's picture. I was like, oh. These are the awesome fireworks on Instagram. I can't get an Instagram because I got a tablet. It doesn't let me. Shush. Y'all need to stop competing with us because we got some snake pics too. Not one, not three. That guy made a firework with the light. He turned it on and he turned it off. He did it twice. I'm sorry, I didn't show y'all guys. Here's when the fun begins. What is that?
Alyssa.
That's how she looks. Right there too.
She's pretty.
She got braces?
Yep.
I saw that. I'm not gonna get. I gotta record.
Floors are much better than this.
We're on the grass. I walk on the grass and I don't get sick because she does. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I don't like doing this. Pretty. Oh yeah. What do we use? It was 5. It was 4. Hey. Are you calling her? Oh my god. She is calling her.
Who?
What is her name again?
Her name's Alyssa.
Alyssa. You're calling Alyssa.
I'm not calling Alyssa.
I know. Hold on. I can't tell you.
Do you know what I mean? Should call his phone number.
No, I don't. I didn't say that. I said I know the trash can's phone number. Actually, I know Alyssa's phone number. I'm for real.
No, you don't. You don't even know her.
I know her.
No, you don't.
She followed me on Twitter. I got Twitter. Yeah. I'm powerful like that. You can't even see me. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I'm shutting it off. How much battery do I got? I got 36% battery. Dang it. I should have charged it, honey. She's lighting up another one. But it's gonna have to wait. Y'all can see the little red thing. That's it. Beautiful. We did? Oh. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Get ready.
Yeah.
Get ready for
I'm gonna have to do this a lot. Did you see the stars? I don't think y'all can see them. I can see them. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna wait for the snake thing. Dun dun dun. The car. You can see it. Yeah, see the lights moving? That's the car. That's not
gonna
our
lay down.
I'm not gonna lay down. I don't want a frog to hop on my mouth. It didn't work. It turned off. It died. It died. It died.
died. I got a frog here.
Why?
I didn't get you. It looks like me. Look. See?
It looks like you want to be making retarded faces.
That's Sunil.
We done it.
I don't want to lay down.
I'm gonna lay down to take a picture of tonight.
Mommy, the light's stupid.
I have flash.
You have a life.
I have I have flash.
Flash like a bright diamond. Now remember your shirt shine bright like a diamond.
I hate that shirt.
Tell
Did you just
Grandma.
ask me why?
No.
Better not have.
Like, why didn't you tell Grandma that you hated the shirt?
Because she already bought it. I didn't know she bought it.
Bring it back. I would do it. Ah, it's crazy.
I like that.
34%. We might make it through, guys. Lights. Lights. I'm recording light. Let's take a picture of each other.
What is this light? Oh, it's me.
Right. Hold on.
I see you.
Mine has flash. Ew, mine has
I
flash.
don't care.
Jeez.
Oh, you make it so bright.
Take a picture of it.
No, I'm on a camcorder.
Take a picture of the grass.
I'm on a camcorder. See?
It hurts. Oh, my back. I broke my spine.
I'm on a camcorder.
Stop. I'll be too tablet, bigger than yours. But it's not flash.
Can you see my phone?
Yes.
Can you see it now?
No.
Can you see my phone?
Exit bright light.
Oh, yay!
Pretzels!
That's not a pretzel.
Oh. My hair hurts. Okay, guys, we gotta end the video here. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, comment below, follow me on Twitter. Bye!